Hi there, Leo.
Hi there, Max.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Max.
Do you start early?
Yes, very early.
Me too, always.
Oh, that's nice.
What time exactly?
8 o'clock sharp.
Same time as me.
Yes, same time.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy.
That's good to hear.
Very good indeed.
Are you feeling tired?
A little tired, yes.
Me too, honestly.
Yes, mornings are tough.
Coffee always helps me.
Yes, coffee helps a lot.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I really do.
Me too. Every day.
Very good choice, Max.
Nice elevator we have.
Yes, very nice elevator.
Are you going up?
Yes, going up now.
Which floor, please?
Floor number 5.
Same floor as me.
Oh, that's great news.
Do we work together?
Maybe. Yes, we do.
What is your name?
My name is Leo.
I am called Max.
Nice meeting you, Max.
Nice meeting you too.
Yes, indeed it is.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really do.
Me too, very much.
That's a good job.
Is your work hard?
A little hard, yes.
I completely understand that.
Yes, I understand too.
Do you work quickly?
Yes, very quickly always.
That is really great.
Thank you very much.
Are you new here?
Yes, quite new here.
Welcome to our team.
Thank you so much.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it.
That's very good news.
Yes, it's very good.
Are the people nice?
Yes, very nice people.
I am glad to hear.
Me too, very glad.
Do you eat breakfast daily?
Yes, I always do.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat toast.
I really like toast too.
Nice. We have that common.
Do you drink tea daily?
No, I drink coffee.
Me too, every single day.
Very good. We agree.
Do you walk to work?
No, I take the bus.
I always walk instead.
Oh, that's very nice.
Is your commute far?
A little far, yes.
I completely understand that feeling.
Yes, I understand completely.
Do you like taking the bus?
Yes, I really like it.
That's really good to hear.
Yes, it's quite good.
We have arrived here.
Yes, floor number 5.
Have a really good day.
You too, have a good one.
See you again later.
See you again later, Max.
Goodbye for now, Leo.
Goodbye for now, Max.
Do you start early tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow too, same time.
Me too, exactly the same.
Very good, we match perfectly.
See you again tomorrow morning.
See you tomorrow morning too.
Have a really nice day.
You too, Max. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Leo.
You're very welcome, Max.
Do you like this building?
Yes, it's a nice building.
Very modern and clean, too.
Yes, I completely agree with you.
Do you have a desk?
Yes, near the window.
That sounds really very nice.
Yes, I really love it.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, every single day.
Same here, all day long.
Computers make work much easier.
Yes, they really do help.
Technology helps us a lot.
Do you take short breaks?
Yes, every couple hours.
That's a very smart habit.
Yes, it helps me focus.
Do you like your desk?
Yes, I really love it.
That's great to hear, Leo.
Thank you, Max, very much.
Do you have many meetings?
Yes, quite a few daily.
That sounds pretty busy indeed.
Yes, but I enjoy them.
Do you enjoy meeting people?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
That's a wonderful quality, Leo.
Thank you, that's very kind.
Do you have lunch here?
Yes, in the cafeteria.
I usually eat there too.
We should eat together sometime.
Yes, that sounds really fun.
Great, let's plan that soon.
Do you like the cafeteria food?
Yes, it's actually quite good.
I agree, it's pretty tasty.
Yes, especially the soup there.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, throughout the entire day.
That's a really healthy habit.
Yes, staying hydrated feels important.
Do you exercise after work?
Yes, sometimes I go running.